Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix auto refresh and flicker problem Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type of services, open services. After opening that, first of all, find out a Windows error reporting services. Now here is a Windows error reporting services. Make sure that is selected a disable and stopped. After that, click on apply and OK button. And after doing this step, find out a problem reporting control panel support. Now here is a problem reporting control panel support. Make sure that is selected disable, stopped it, click on apply and OK button, and after that close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, select a display adapter, select a driver, click on update driver, click on search automatic driver from computer automatically. Now you can see that Windows automatically update the driver. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that type a device manager, open device manager, and after that select a monitors and select a driver, click on update driver, click search automatic driver, and click on search for update driver on Windows update. And after that download or any updates is available, then download and install in your PC. So click on install now and installed, and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search bar type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.